As we gracefully navigate our 50s and beyond, many women seek ways to refresh their appearance and reclaim a youthful vibrancy. Your hair is often the first feature people notice, and with age it can sometimes lose its luster, volume, or even its youthful shape. The good news is that a strategic haircut can dramatically transform your look, making you appear significantly younger and more radiant. We understand the desire for effortless style that also turns back the clock. That is why we have consulted with top stylists and trichologists to identify 3 incredibly easy-to-maintain haircuts, specifically designed to flatter women over 50, giving you the confidence of looking 10 years younger. Prepare to discover your next favorite style. First, let us talk about the soft layered pixie and its slightly longer cousin, the bixie. These 2 cuts have become some of the most transformative choices for women over 50 because they work with the natural changes that occur in the hair rather than fighting them. As women age, the texture of the hair often becomes finer and the strands lose density, with studies showing that the diameter of each hair can shrink by nearly 1/3 after the age of 50. That reduction in thickness leads to the familiar challenges. Many women describe flat roots, weak body, and a sense that styling takes twice as long for half the results. A soft layered pixie or bixie uses strategic layering to reverse those effects by creating lift, motion, and volume exactly where most women need it. Instead of trying to build height with heavy products, the cut itself does the work. Hair lifts at the root, the crown looks fuller, and the silhouette immediately appears more youthful and energetic. One reason stylists recommend these cuts so often is because softness around the face creates a flattering frame that emphasizes the eyes, the cheekbones, and the natural structure of the face. Harsh, choppy, or spiky styles may age the face by drawing attention to fine lines or a softening jawline, but soft layers fall in a way that gives the entire face a gentle uplift. Think of it like natural contouring without makeup. The shape floats around the cheeks, softens the jaw, and brings attention upward toward the eyes, which is exactly where light and expression look the most radiant as we age. A real example comes from a client in her early 60s who struggled with thinning hair that collapsed moments after styling. She felt her long hair was aging her, but she feared short cuts might look severe. We chose a bixie with slightly longer face framing pieces and a shaped crown. When she looked in the mirror after the cut, she said she could see her cheekbones again for the first time in years. That week, she told me, people kept asking if she had changed her skincare routine or started sleeping better. That is the kind of subtle, visible transformation a thoughtfully cut pixie or bixie can deliver. Another important feature is the side-swept fringe. A soft diagonal fringe can disguise a maturing forehead, create motion, and give a touch of playfulness that feels very natural. The best part is that this type of fringe works on nearly every face shape and blends easily with existing layers. If you have ever tried a side-swept fringe, comment yes, so we can see how many in our community love this detail. Beyond appearance, these cuts are also genuinely practical. Most women with pixies or bixies report that their morning routine drops to about 5 minutes. A quick tousle, a small amount of mousse or volumizing foam, and a light mist of hold is enough. For women who want to look polished without spending too much time in front of the mirror, this is a major win. Another reason these cuts are perfect for women over 50 is the versatility. A soft layered pixie can be refined, elegant, and polished for professional settings, while a bixie can be textured and modern for a more youthful edge. Both styles can be customized for thin, delicate hair or thick, coarse hair. Both can be smooth, sleek, or styled with natural movement depending on your personality. If you like having the option to change your style based on your mood or event, let me know by commenting versatile so I can share more styling tips. If you are considering refreshing your look this year, the pixie or bixie might be the perfect combination of youthfulness, simplicity, and face-enhancing shape. And if you want a full guide on choosing the right version for your face shape, hair texture, and lifestyle, comment face shape so I can create that for you next. Next, we explore the timeless collarbone-length layered bob. This cut remains one of the most recommended styles for women over 50 because it delivers a level of balance, softness, and versatility that very few lengths can offer. Many stylists refer to it as the perfect middle ground length because it avoids the heaviness of long hair while still offering the movement and femininity that many women enjoy. Research from several professional beauty surveys shows that hair cut at or just below the collarbone naturally guides the viewer's eye upward toward the face. This upward visual line subtly lifts the overall appearance, helping the face look refreshed and more defined. Long, heavy hair can sometimes pull features downward, which is why a mid-length cut often feels instantly energizing. The real magic of this bob lies in its layered structure. Skilled stylists emphasize invisible internal layers rather than choppy exterior layers because internal layers allow the hair to maintain a clean, smooth outline while still gaining body and movement. These layers distribute weight in a smart way, preventing the common issue many women over 50 face, which is flatness at the roots and heaviness around the ends. When the layers are placed correctly, the hair naturally lifts away from the face, giving a soft upward sweep that brightens the jawline and neck. These areas are often the first to show signs of aging, so this gentle framing effect creates a flattering illusion of smoothness and definition. Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing your features highlighted rather than overshadowed by heavy or limp hair. That is the gift of a well-designed collarbone bob. A client of mine who is 62 once shared that she had kept long hair for decades because she believed cutting it would make her look older. But once she tried a collarbone layered bob, she said she finally understood why stylists praise this length so highly. Her hair felt lighter. Her face looked more open, and even her posture seemed more confident because the cut brought balance to her overall appearance. She told me that friends kept asking if she had changed her makeup routine or adopted a new fitness habit because her face looked so refreshed. The versatility of this bob also makes it a standout choice. It can be worn sleek for a polished modern look. It can be styled with soft waves for a relaxed youthful feel. And with a curling brush or a few minutes with a hot tool, it can transform into gentle curls that add softness and romantic movement. This means one haircut becomes multiple styles, offering a level of freedom that many women appreciate, especially when transitioning between work casual days and special events. Another advantage is that this length works beautifully with different hair textures. Fine hair gains movement and dimension from the internal layering, while thicker hair becomes lighter and easier to manage. Women with natural waves often find that the collarbone length enhances their texture without making it frizzy or unmanageable. Many colorists also note that this length pairs exceptionally well with modern dimensional color techniques because the layers allow highlights and lowlights to catch the light in natural, flattering ways. If you want more brightness around the face, subtle face framing color can make the style glow even more. Another client who had naturally wavy hair struggled with bulky, unruly layers for years. When she shifted to a collarbone bob with subtle internal layers, she said, it was the first time her waves fell into shape without constant styling. Her morning routine went from 20 minutes to less than 10 simply because the structure of the cut did the work for her. Beyond practicality, this cut also offers a sense of confidence. It feels modern but not extreme, feminine but not outdated, and flattering without appearing like it tries too hard. It gives women the ability to express themselves through their hair without the burden of high-maintenance styling. If you enjoy having options in your daily routine and want a cut that adapts easily to your mood or your schedule, then this might be the perfect style for you. And if you would like a follow-up guide showing how to choose the best version of the collarbone bob for your face shape and hair texture, let me know by commenting the words face shape in the section below so I know to create it for you next. Finally, for those who cherish their length, we present the face framing long layers. Many women believe that long hair is only for younger ages, but that idea could not be farther from the truth when the cut is designed with intention. Long hair can look incredibly youthful, sophisticated, and full of vitality for women over 50 when it is shaped with the right techniques. Professional stylists emphasize that the biggest mistake is keeping the hair all one length because heavy unlayered hair can drag the features downward and highlight signs of aging around the mouth, cheeks, and jaw. Instead, the key is to request thoughtfully placed layers that begin around the chin or collarbone and taper smoothly downward. These layers act as architecture for the entire hairstyle, adding movement, fluidity, and lift that long hair often lacks on its own. When the layers are balanced, the face instantly appears more open and refreshed because the framing draws attention toward the eyes and cheekbones where expression and brightness naturally shine as we mature. A common example comes from women who notice that without layers, their hair falls flat against the sides of the face, making the overall appearance seem tired or weighed down. Once face framing layers are added, the hair comes alive again, revealing not only more shape but more personality. This transformation is so consistent that many stylists consider long layers the ultimate solution for women who want to maintain their length without sacrificing a youthful presence. One client in her mid-50s told me that after years of wearing her hair straight and heavy, she finally tried long layers and felt like her face lit up the moment she saw the result. She said, "The layers made her cheekbones more defined while softening the lower part of her face, creating a natural balance she had not seen in years." Another major advantage of this style is how beautifully it works with modern coloring techniques. Highlights and lowlights are able to catch the light differently across each layer, creating dimension and depth that make the hair appear thicker than it actually is. For women with fine or thinning hair, this effect can be transformative. Many colorists say that even subtle brightness around the face can amplify the youthful impact of long layered cuts by creating a soft halo of light that visually uplifts the facial features. This type of coloring also blends naturally with gray or silver strands, allowing women who are transitioning to a lighter shade to do so gracefully and elegantly. Long layers also enhance movement, which is essential for creating a fresh and vibrant appearance. Without movement, long hair can appear static and lifeless, but once layered, the hair flows with each step, offering a sense of ease and confidence. This is especially valuable for women with naturally wavy or lightly textured hair, because the layers encourage those textures to form soft waves instead of clumping together. Even women with very straight hair find that long layers make their style appear more dynamic and polished without requiring heavy styling tools. Beyond aesthetics, long layers are practical and versatile, offering multiple styling options. You can wear your hair smooth for a sleek, modern vibe, add loose waves for a youthful, effortless look, or create more defined curls for evenings or special occasions. The cut adapts beautifully to different environments and lifestyles, whether you prefer low-maintenance routines or enjoy experimenting with new looks regularly. It also allows women to maintain the sense of femininity and confidence that often comes from having length, while still providing the lift and shaping benefits that shorter styles typically offer. Many women say that long layers make them feel both elegant and empowered, because the style reflects maturity without giving up softness, movement, or freshness. If you want to keep your length but desire more energy, more volume, and a visually lifted appearance, the face-framing long layered cut is one of the most powerful choices you can make. If you would like a breakdown of which face shapes benefit most from this layered approach and how to personalize the length and placement of the layers, let me know by commenting face shape so I know to prepare that guide next. There you have it, 3 incredibly effective and easy haircuts that stylists and experts consistently recommend for women over 50 seeking a youthful transformation. Remember, the right haircut is not just about aesthetics. It is about embracing your evolving beauty and radiating confidence. Whether you opt for the playful volume of a soft layered pixie, the chic versatility of a collarbone-length layered bob, or the elegant movement of face-framing long layers, each style is designed to enhance your features and make you feel 10 years younger. We encourage you to consult with your trusted stylist, armed with these insights, to find the perfect cut that complements your unique hair texture and facial structure. You deserve to feel fabulous at every age. If you found this advice helpful, please do give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more expert beauty and style tips tailored just for you. See you next video.